Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Caterham 7, a car that continues to embody the essence of pure driving pleasure. Let's explore what makes this vehicle a timeless icon in the automotive world. The Caterham 7 has always been synonymous with a minimalist design philosophy, focusing on delivering an unfiltered driving experience. The 2025 model stays true to this legacy, offering a lightweight structure that ensures agility and responsiveness on the road. Its open-top design not only provides a visceral connection to the environment but also emphasizes its commitment to simplicity and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Caterham 7 offers a range of powertrains tailored to different driving preferences. One notable variant is the 7485S, equipped with a 2.0-litre inline-4 engine that produces 177 kilowatts of power at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 206 Newton-meters of torque at 6,300 revolutions per minute. This setup, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, ensures a spirited driving experience. Caterham claims that this variant achieves a combined fuel consumption of 6.2 litres per 100 kilometers, making it relatively efficient given its performance capabilities. For those seeking a more track-focused experience, the 7485 CSR is a compelling option. While sharing the same engine specifications as the 485S, the CSR variant features enhancements such as aerofoil wishbones and adjustable suspension, catering to enthusiasts who prioritize handling and precision on the track. In terms of dimensions, the 2025 Caterham 7 maintains its compact footprint, with a height of 1,120 mm, a width of 1,700 mm, and a length ranging from 3,360 mm to 3,530 mm, depending on the variant. This compact size contributes to its nimble handling characteristics, allowing drivers to navigate tight corners with confidence. The driving experience of the Caterham 7 is often described as raw and exhilarating. With its lightweight construction and rear-wheel drive layout, the car offers exceptional feedback and responsiveness. The absence of modern driving aids means that drivers are in complete control, making every journey engaging and rewarding. It's worth noting that Caterham has been proactive in expanding its production capabilities. In mid-2024, the company relocated to a new factory, increasing production capacity by 50% and enabling the assembly of up to 750 cars annually. This move aims to reduce wait times for customers eager to experience the thrill of the 7. In conclusion, the 2025 Caterham 7 remains a testament to the brand's dedication to pure, unadulterated driving pleasure. Its combination of lightweight design, potent performance, and driver-centric focus ensures that it continues to captivate enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're seeking a weekend cruiser or a track day weapon, the Caterham 7 offers a driving experience that's hard to match. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the 2025 Caterham 7. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with this iconic car, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars. The backside of the 2025 Caterham 7 stays true to its minimalist and functional design, emphasizing performance and lightweight engineering. Unlike modern sports cars with aggressive aerodynamic elements, the Caterham 7 maintains a simple, almost vintage look that focuses purely on efficiency and practicality. At the rear, the most noticeable feature is its exposed rear wheels, a signature design trait that enhances the car's raw, race-ready aesthetic. The fenders are separate from the body, giving the car a lightweight and open feel. This design also serves a functional purpose, reducing unnecessary weight and making it easy to swap out wheels during track days. The taillights are compact and straightforward, positioned on the outermost edges of the rear panel. These lights are LED units, ensuring better visibility and longevity. The centrally mounted license plate holder sits just below the small rear trunk area, which is minimal in size but still provides enough space for essentials like a helmet or a small bag. A significant feature of the rear is the exposed rear differential and suspension components, particularly in track-focused variants. The visible rear axle and independent suspension setup give a mechanical and raw look, reinforcing the car's focus on driver engagement and engineering purity. The exhaust system varies by model, with some versions featuring a side exit exhaust, while others have a traditional rear exit system. The exhaust tips are small but purposeful, producing a throaty and exhilarating sound that enhances the Caterham Seven's character. Overall, the backside of the 2025 Caterham 7 is a perfect representation of its philosophy: lightweight, functional, and designed for pure driving pleasure. It may not have the aggressive styling of modern supercars, but its purposeful, classic appearance is what makes it an icon. Whether on the road or the track, the rear design ensures that the Caterham 7 remains instantly recognizable and true to its heritage. The front side of the 2025 Caterham 7 stays true to its classic, minimalist design, emphasizing lightweight engineering and pure driving engagement. The most striking feature is its exposed front wheels, a signature Caterham design that enhances agility and showcases its raw, mechanical aesthetic. At the center, the small, rounded grille features the iconic Caterham badge, flanked by two circular LED headlights mounted on slender brackets. These lights provide a modern touch while maintaining the vintage-inspired look. Below the grille, a simple front splitter aids aerodynamics without adding unnecessary bulk. The long, narrow hood is secured with external latches, reinforcing the car's no-nonsense, race-ready nature. Small vents and intakes ensure optimal airflow for cooling. The lack of bulky bumpers or aggressive styling elements keeps the design pure and functional, making the 2025 Caterham 7 an unmistakable symbol of lightweight performance and driving purity. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.